Have you ever tried withdrawing money from PayPal in Kenya and got stuck? Or maybe you've been receiving money online, but you have no idea how to get it into your bank account. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to connect your Kenyan bank account to PayPal in 2026. The right way so you can withdraw your money safely and easily. If you are into content about making money online, digital tools and smart financial moves, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed, because this channel is all about helping you grow. First, let us understand how PayPal works in Kenya. In Kenya, PayPal does not directly connect to most banks the way it does in some countries. Instead, it works through a trusted partner called Equity Bank. So, if you want to withdraw money from PayPal to your bank account, you will need to use this connection. Step 2. Create a PayPal account if you don't have one yet. Go to the official PayPal website or download the PayPal application. Sign up using your email. Choose personal account. Fill in your little details, very important for verification. And make sure your name matches your bank account's name. Step 3. Link your PayPal to Equity Bank. Now, here is the most important step. Go to the official PayPal Equity integration page. Just search for PayPal Equity Kenya on Google. Log into your PayPal account. You will be redirected to Equity Bank's platform. Enter your Equity Bank account details. Once done, your PayPal will be linked to your Equity Bank account. Step number 4. What if you don't have an Equity Bank account? No worries. You have two options. Open an account with Equity Bank, which is recommended for smooth withdrawals. Or withdraw your PayPal funds through other methods like linking cards or third-party services. But Equity is the easiest and most reliable in Kenya. Step number 5. Withdraw money from PayPal to your bank. Once linked, log into PayPal. Click onto Withdraw Funds. Choose Equity, then enter the amount. Then lastly, confirm. Withdrawals usually take 1 to 3 business days. Let me give you important tips to avoid mistakes. Before you rush to try this, listen carefully. Your PayPal name must match your bank's name. Avoid fake details because you may lose your account. Then always confirm fees before withdrawing. Remember to use a secure email and strong password. This will protect your money and your account. Last but not least, if you're making money online, whether it's from YouTube, freelancing, or affiliate marketing, learning how to properly use PayPal is a must, because that is how you turn online income into real cash in your bank account. As I conclude, guys, that's exactly how to link your Kenyan bank account to PayPal in 2026. It is simple once you understand that Equity Bank is the key bridge between PayPal and your money here in Kenya. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like it, share, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed. And if you want more videos on making money online, digital tools, and financial growth, this is the channel for you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And until next time, bye.